Ashley Lee. I am the owner, the creator, the founder, the designer of The Finer Collective. Recently, I've just been wanting to incorporate more style content into my page, into the brand, and just kind of do some fun stuff. Like, why not? So I follow a bunch of different stylists or just style influencers on Instagram, and I thought, wouldn't it be fun if I like recreate looks but make them Zeta worthy? So the first look that I saw and fell in love with was a look that was on the page of this influencer. Her name is Hilo Lux, and she's popping. But she had a look, and I will put it up here so you guys can see, with a Balenciaga logo blazer. I believe it was a Balenciaga and Gucci collab. It was just really, really cute. So what I want to do is put my spin on it so that I can create a similar look and just kind of have some fun. I have this blazer. I got this blazer from Shein, however you say it. So this right now, just a super simple blazer. So what I am going to do, hopefully I don't mess this blazer up because it is cute. I would like to wear it. I could wear it to like chapter meetings and stuff. But what I'm going to do is I've designed some little logo embellishments and things to give the same effect of the Balenciaga and Gucci insignias that were on her blazer. They are Zeta specific. So what I'm gonna do is just take my time because this is going to be a bit labor intensive, but I've had this idea on my mind for a little minute, so I'm just like kind of excited. Whether or not I style it the same way is up in the air. I'm gonna try and do like a similar look, but you know, we can probably get a few looks out of this. So yeah, that's the plan. This is the blazer, and I'm gonna take you guys step by step on this little journey, and we gonna work it out. Okay, I designed these on GoDaddy Studio just to mimic the Gucci logos that were on the jacket, and then I cut them out on heat press vinyl on my Cricut, and now I am laying them down. So I'm gonna do that design all over the blazer. I'm about to see how it looks. I'm a little scared. I don't know if this one is completely on. Heat press is so tricky. Okay, so this is the first glimpse. So off the top, I like how that looks. And then I'm gonna overlay it in the Balenciaga style, but it is going to say Finer One. Oh, that already looks so good. I'm excited, y'all.